Hey, what's here, and I'm gonna share with you what I've been using to market several programs. Show you guys how I'm making consistent income from my smartphone. This is all you're gonna need. You're gonna be able to set up everything from your smartphone if you want to do it from your smartphone. Okay, so full-time business setup. I use a marketing tool, as you guys can see. 40 leads this week. Last week, 145 leads. I'm constantly building my subscribers list. This is how I get paid on a day-to-day basis. Okay, not everybody will sign up on the first side of things, so you want to make sure that you are building your list, because when you send out these email blasts or when your autoresponder is sending out these emails, a person will see it, they will click on, they will get the information again, okay, once they see it multiple times, and then they will eventually get started or they will unsubscribe. So it's been very easy. Let the people that know what they're doing do the hard work for you. If you can actually pay for a text blast, pay for a text blast to let them do this for you, or you can do it with free marketing. I'm going to show you guys one of the tools I actually use here. All right, I'm recording from my phone right now. All right, so we have the home, we have leads, we have quick replies, you have notifications, scripts, rebuttals, everything that you need. Marketing videos is right inside of this mobile app that I use. All right, so I want to go over to just one of the programs I actually promote, which is EE. Show you guys really quick. Collect $100 payments, $250 payments, $500 payments, and $1,000 payments the second a person signs up. Okay, very simple. They will get a marketing system themselves. Everything is business in a box. Okay, the tool that I use is the Online Sales Pro. To share this, I'm going to show you guys how simple this is. All right, so I'm going to one of the capture pages I created. You can create campaigns. You can share these campaigns with your signups as well, so they can start to get results as well if they want to use that. Now I'll go ahead and click share. I want to go ahead and share this inside of Facebook, but I want to share this in a group. I'm not trying to share this on my personal page. Show you guys, I send you over these groups as well if you want to use these. All right, and then I'm gonna write out a simple message. Let me show you guys how simple this is for people that are wondering if this can work for them. Yes, this can work for you. All right, so I'm gonna put a simple message. Easy way to get paid, and I always have a different message when I send out these. So easy way to get paid. 100 to 1,000 instant commissions. Okay, click the image below for details. All right, so I could put on autopilot or whatever, but I'm gonna just put that as a simple message for demonstration, because I don't have to bug friends or family. I don't ever have to talk to anyone if I don't want to. So I'm gonna copy this. Easy way to get paid, and I want to correct this. I want to make sure that it's right. Easy way to get paid, $100 to $1,000 instant commissions. Click the image below for details, and I'm going to sit there and click post. Now it's going to post that in a group. Now these groups have thousands upon thousands of people inside, and then there's people getting added on a day-to-day basis. So there's always fresh people going in these groups. All right, so just keep in mind, there are billions of people on earth. You don't need to get every single person in your business. You only need a handful. All right, now with this simple system in EE, it's passive, so all you ever need in this program is 2 people if you wanted to get that and stop, as long as they understand exactly what you did to get them, or how you're doing the business. All right, how to do the business. I'm gonna go to one more group. All right, I want to go to this group right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and paste. All right, and it's going to be that simple. All right, really simple. You can share this any type of way you want. I could share this through a text. It's going to show that image. People can click on that image. This is why I use Online Sales Pro to do that. I can send it out as an email to a person, Snapchat, click on more. Okay, send it out as a Telegram. It's going to send out that image with a clickable link. Okay, so I can send it through Twitter if I want to. All right, so I'm going to just send out something through Twitter. Check my page out. Check out my page. Okay. I'm gonna just put get paid daily the easy way. And it's really that simple. All right, and I'm doing this from my smartphone, as you guys can see. Just doing it from here. I can send it out to a person. I'm not going to tweet this right now because I sent something already earlier. So I want to go ahead. Let's say I want to send this as a personal message to somebody. All right, so I want to go to share, and let's say I want to go to personal message. All right, I'm gonna share this. This guy is already signed up, so and it has a message on there, so I don't even have to send out a message if I don't want to. Simple Text Marketing generates 3,000 to 5,000. It's going to say that when you click on it, generates, but that's actually spelled wrong. But Simple Text Marketing generates $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month. And then I'm gonna hit the send button, and that's going to send that to this guy's inbox. Okay, so, and it's going to have that image right there. All right, he's already signed up in one of my programs. He's not signed up into the EE system, and this is how I do this. All right, simple. You know, if I'm at the car wash, at the bank, you know, out having dinner or something, I can send out messages like that. But also ordering text blasts. The system inside of EE show you exactly where to go, so you can get text blasts to text people. People are always near their phone, okay, and they reply or answer the phone within a certain amount of seconds, okay? So this right here is very powerful to use with EE. Is Online Sales Pro, guys. All right, you got your, like I said, you got your leads that show all your leads. You got your quick replies, notifications. Every time somebody opts in, you would get that cha-ching. You have your rebuttals for people that have excuses, okay, that you can actually pretty much send them with the click of a button, you know, copy, paste, send it to them. Your marketing, okay, videos and all that. So it's very, very simple to use. All right, that's my time. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Click on the link in the description below to get the full details on Exodus Elite. Also, sign up with Online Sales Pro. You get a 14-day trial if you want to do that. Okay, no credit card needed. If you like it, you can continue with it. If not, no worries. And until the next video, make it a great day.